Hi everyone, it's Katie, and I just thought while I was putting on my makeup this morning that I would show you something I learned a while ago, actually, probably almost 20 years ago, when I started to think in my 20s that maybe I should take care of my skin a little better. I still was getting adult acne or 20s acne, whatever. It's even still a little bit, almost 40 now. But I always get compliments on my skin, and I always say it's definitely been good skincare. So I did start with Mary Kay when I was 19 or 20 years old, and stuck with them for quite a while. I've been using Senegence recently, and this works with any skincare. It just shows how important skincare is, not so much the makeup that you choose, but just to show you how well makeup lays on your skin if you take good care of it. So this is just my naked wrist here. I'm going to put just a little foundation on it. And it rubs in, and it doesn't look too bad. I'm trying to get the best lighting here, but you can still kind of like see it. Even when it's rubbed in, it sort of makes I'm just trying to see if it'll focus. Like, you can still just kind of see it there. But when you take good care of your skin, so what I'm going to do on my other wrist is do some cleanser. Rinse that off, and moisturizer. Usually I would also do exfoliator like once or twice a week. I probably mask Mondays and like maybe one other day during the week. And then moisturizer on that. And rub that in. And I don't know if you can see just the difference in the texture of the skin. It's kind of hard with this, but when you put a little bit of the foundation on, it just blends in. So I don't know, you can kind of see this side, you can still kind of see where the foundation is, whereas where you do the skincare, it's not as noticeable. It just blends right in. So sometimes people are like, oh, makeup looks cakey on me. I'm like, did you wash your face? Did you do your skincare beforehand? Because otherwise you're gonna get it where it shows. Let me get the best light here, like all the little wrinkles and crevices and everything, versus on this side it's nice and smooth and blended in. So just a little tip for the day, especially if you're trying to make your makeup look better. Another couple of tips, I will also make sure that the hair on my face gets removed. I've done waxing, I've done threading, but I haven't done that since I moved to Tampa because I can't find anyone that does it with just their hands only, not the ones that do it with their mouth and hands for the threading. I have a fantastic lady in Milwaukee if anybody wants to go to someone who really knows what she's doing. So I miss her, and I will probably make an appointment with her the next time I'm back in town there to visit family. But when you get rid of that little fine hair, even shaving it is actually good. Don't believe that it's going to come back dark and thick and you're going to have 5 o'clock shadow or anything. That's not how facial hair works. But just getting rid of that peach fuzz will also help your makeup lay better. And it'll also, that process of removing the hair also helps exfoliate the dead skin cells on the surface of your skin, which is also why skin can age faster as if you don't exfoliate regularly. So that's my little Tuesday tip for you, and I hope you have a great day.